Welcome back to Science Online Class. I am your science teacher, Mr. C.P. Barrett. And here this is going to be the last lecture for the same chapter that we have already started, that is food and human health. Okay. This is for the class 10 that we are knowing it. Right now see only the one topic is remained, and you have seen that common examples of the adulteration in the food items. Okay. Adulteration, it is a very common practice, and actually the country wherever we are living, population is more, that's why the people, they always try to cheat each other. Okay, no, you cannot believe on any of the people. And adulteration, actually adulteration, it is a source of income for so many different people. Okay, adulteration, it is very common, and especially it is very common in the food items. When it is going to be very common in the food items, so we all are also knowing it that it is adulterated food. Still it is our weakness that we have to purchase it anyhow. Okay, because we how can we secure? Because the shopkeepers, they always try to convince us. Okay, they tell us that it is a very pure product, and that's why always we are going to be cheated by them. Always we are in the confusion. Sometimes we are in the confusions because of the advertisements. What kind of the advertisements that we see in the television? Actually it is done because to make the particular product popular among the people, and that's why we believe in the false advertisements which are coming in the television, which are coming in the internet, and that's why we are influenced by it. We think that all kinds of the properties which are shown here and there, it is present in particular food product. Either it is toothpaste, either it is any biscuits, snacks, and we believe blindly and directly we purchase it, and we don't consider what are the harmful effects of it. So that all we have to talk about here. So first is the today milk, actually milk, doodh. Okay, it is a very foremost thing. Why? Because it is a source of the protein. Starting from the kids to the all kinds of the people, all the age of people, actually they drink milk. Why? Because its main role, it makes our strong, it makes our bones and teeth strong. Okay, it is a bodybuilding food, and all kinds of the nutrients, it is a all-rounder food. Why? Because all kinds of the nutrients, either this is carbohydrate, protein, vitamin, minerals, all are present inside the milk. Right now see what is happening, and that's why what the people they are doing. Okay, they for earning the more money, actually what they are doing, some are mixing water. It's okay if somebody is mixing water in the milk, it's okay. Why? Because water is not the poisonous substance. Actually we are going to be cheated in terms of the money. Still that water, it is not very much harmful for our body. But what happens, actually the people, what they are doing, today milk is going to be the most adulterated food items. Why? Because people are drinking detergent. They are mixing the detergent. They are making the milk in form of the detergent. They are using the shampoo. They are using the soda. They are using the refined oil for preparing the milk, and all kinds. Even we can't judge. Why? Because the smell. So many synthetic fragrances are present. Actually it is same like the milk. It is also producing the fat. It is also producing the protein. Okay, it is also producing the what kind of thing you can say, malai. Okay, and that's why we are going to be confused. We can't judge either that particular milk that we are purchasing, it is good or bad, and that's why they are taking the advantage. Okay, see here, and this particular thing, it is running before the decades. Right now the law has passed, those who are very much active, and actually the people, actually the government, actually some police officers, they also support them. Why? Because again money connection is there. So see here, so actually the people are drinking the detergent, soda, refined oil in name of the milk. Whatever the milk that we are drinking in form of the milk, actually we are drinking the poison, you can say. Condition of the vegetable oil, the oil, cooking oil. Okay, and ghee, especially the ghee. Why? Because again ghee is the main product. It is going to be used in all the families. It is the main food items for all the families, and that's why adulteration is very much common. Right now see in the mustard oil, it is a common practice to mix the low cost palm oil. Whatever the lower cost palm oil, okay, खजूर का तेल जो होता है, it is generally mixed with the mustard oil. Okay, because its cost is very much less color, fragrance, all are going to be same. So what they do? They generally mix it with the mustard oil and they sell. They earn the monies. Right now, see, in ghee, vegetable oil is generally mixed. Dalda. In the pure ghee, that dalda, vegetable oil, it is always mixed. We can't judge in form of the label, in form of the purity, in form of the brand. We can purchase it, no problem. But still, it is a adulterated food. Chili powder, it is a some kind of the mixtures, what kind of the things adulterated, how the adulteration is done. Some examples are here. With the help of the examples, we will try to understand actually what the things that we are consuming right now in our today's world, all are the adulterated food, and that is the reason that so many different kinds of the disease it are spreading here and there. The age of the people, the total life of the people, it is going to be reduced only because of the adulteration. And actually the government is also sleeping. They are not somewhere they take some kind of the actions, no problem at all. Food Corporation Limited is there. Somewhere there is some ban on some kind of the products, and you have seen that during when the festival comes. Okay, so it is a very common practice to sell the adulterated mawa. Adulterated mawa, it is sold commonly. Why? Because the demand is huge. So that is the thing. In the chili powder, brick sand. What is the color of the chili powder? Reddish. So red brick sand, it is generally mixed with the chili powder. In the smaller amount, that's why we are not able to judge. Coriander, okay, dhania. What is mixed there? Sulfur. Because the again color is going to be same. In the turmeric powder, yellow in color, yellow soil, it is going to be mixed. In the black pepper, okay, black pepper, kali mirch, actually the seeds of papaya, structure is same, that's why it is going to be mixed with the black pepper. People are going to be confused, even we can't judge, even nobody cares about it. Why? Because we are not able to see each and every particles. How can we judge? Because the color, each and everything is looking same. But whenever we reach at our home and we use it, okay, then after that only we can judge that it is a adulteration. It is coming under the adulteration. Right now, see, injections. What is the main thing after that? Vegetables. Okay, all vegetables, all persons, they purchase the vegetable. We can't survive without it. So the injections are used for providing the freshness. Okay, to the fruits, also to the vegetables. When it is that, what kind of the red apple that we are going to purchase, what are the green vegetables that we are going to purchase in form of the cabbage, in form of the, you can say, what, ladyfinger. Actually, that color is the artificial color, and it has been given with form of the injections, and that's why they look very much fresh. People, they are going to be they are fascinated with the color, and that's why they purchase it. And what they think that that we have purchased a superb items. Okay, and by this only they increase the rate of the vegetables. They can increase the rate of the vegetables, increase the rate of the fruits also. Right now, see, copper sulfate spray. Copper sulfate spray. Copper sulfate, CuSO4, that we are doing it. So copper sulfate spray, it is used for the brightness in the cauliflower, full gobi. So for providing the brightness in the cauliflower, generally the people, they spray the copper sulfate solution there, okay, and again it is going to be adulterated. No problem, it is going to be adulterated, but it invites the different kinds of the harmful disease inside our body. We think that we are taking the nutritious food, and in spite of the nutrition, actually we are inviting the diseases. Besan, okay, gram flour, besan. It is a very common practice to mix the flour of maize. Maize means what? Makka. Means what is the flour of maize? It is generally mixed with the besan. Why? Because its cost is low as compared to the cost of the besan, and that's why they do it. Why? To earn more money, and they give the what you can say, they give the bad products to us. They give the you can say inferior products to us. Rice, what kind of the rice that we are purchasing right now? It looks very much whitish. It looks very much attractive. Why? Because they are generally, the rice are polished with the artificial color. What kind of the color that we are looking? Okay, very attractive color. Actually, it is provided. Why? Because it is done artificially, and that's why the rice, it looks very much brighter. Also used in sweets, and that artificial color, it is also used in the sweets. What are the so many different colors of the sweets that we can see? Either it is red color, orange color. So this is the artificial color, and it is used in the sweets. and there are so many bad effects hidden beside this artificial color. Right now see, and actually it produces the different kinds of the cancer inside our body. It might be the reason of so many different kinds of the cancers that we suffer later on. And after that, disorder of the DNA, deoxynucleic acid. So whatever the DNA, it is unique. Every DNA is unique in the human body. So it produces the disorder. It produces the disorder there. Okay. Medicines, in the medicines, in the medicines, adulteration has crossed all limits. In the medicines, adulteration has crossed all limits, and even we cannot judge it. Why? Because in the medicines, tablets are there, it is properly packed, and what kind of the things they are going to mix, we cannot judge. And in form of the medicine, actually they are selling the poison, they are giving the inferior products to us. So that adulteration has also reached in the medicines. Okay, right now see, for what happens, these are all about the adulteration, and that's why the prevention of food adulteration means PFA. It is a committee and it has passed one act. It is a government committee and it has passed one act, and which prevents the adulteration in the 65 food items. One committee, government committee is there, known by the prevention of food adulteration, PFA, and they have the rights, and they have passed one act, they have passed one law. According to that law, adulteration is totally banned in the 65 food items. And anyhow, if they find that, if the members of this particular committee, if they find that is there any adulteration in this particular 65 food items, so they can take the some kind of the action against it. That's why, so that the people, those who are doing it, they will be in the fear, and some provision of the jail, it is also there, some kind of the fine, it is also there. So somewhere the government is also doing its worst, but we have to be very much careful. Why? Because every time government is not with us. Okay, so we have to take our own safety, and we have to be very much active while purchasing these kinds of the products. Okay, and we should select the things, okay, on which we can believe. Okay, we should we should see the red mark, registered. We should go for the registered brand R. We should go from this TM products. Okay, so then only we can't do anything, but we have to be very much careful while purchasing these kinds of the products. This chapter is going to be finished right now. Some question answers are remained, that I will give you the solutions for that question answers. One more time, again you have to see the book. Again you have to see my all the videos, and I think I have explained well that you can do it. Some other things which I have left somewhere else, that you can study in your book. Some points to remember, some summary is also given at the back side of your book, and it is not possible for me to complete each and everything here. So that is for you all. Till then, all the best. Okay, and question answers we will do after that. Till then, thank you so much. All the best.